We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was within this move. We mentioned about the different possibility, and this is what we get. Anyway, whoever get the trade, as we expected, because we mentioned if we get the trade for buy, we're looking for 1.21 as the target. All right, this is where we have to start to manage our trade. That's what we expected the price tag, and whoever get the trade either from here or by having entry above this, they should move their stop loss to break even. No, want to see what's the next, because we want to see we can look for continuation or not. Anyway, we move to higher time frame, we will move to daily chart, and as what we expected the price reverse. But the only thing is we want to see whether we can get the bigger correction or this is the start of the up move. That's why if he wants to trade based on lower time frame, we should have the proper management, because if we move to forward chart, most of the chart they have a similar movement. If this one tend to a flat, because technically what we have here is a flat in relative to this. The reason is I say if, because most of the chart drop because of the Bitcoin. Okay, that's mean if you want to look for buy, we should be aware about the possibility of this flat for one more drop. But right now, we don't have any confirmation for price to drop, because if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal, and we get the confirmation. This is what we get. That's why we have been looking for buy. And whoever get a trade within this move, they should book some profit. And again, still we're looking for buy, but we need to know about the possibility of the price to drop, because even if the price drop in terms of the risk and reward, we can take really, I mean, we can look for a really good trade setup. Okay, that's mean if we get any trade setup, the trade, if the price drop, it can give us really good profit in terms of the risk and reward. Anyway, if we move to 1 hour chart, if I put this one in relative to the previous one, we don't see the divergence here, but the other indicators they show us the divergence. That means still we can look for buy, but we don't have any trade setup. Maybe we consider this one as a correction of lag in relative to this. We can look for buy, but any buy from now is a short term. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage, since one of the indicators only show us the divergence. Anyway, right now we're looking at this. Maybe we can look for short term buy, and those traders, they get a trade from here. At least they move their stop loss to break even. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And again, whoever looking for the buy, they should consider as a short term in case this one turn to a bigger flat, because the way the reversing is quite corrective. And again, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.